Assalamu alaikum, 8th class. Welcome in third semester subject science. I hope you are all fine. So let's start our first and second day lecture. Today we are going to start the definitions of third semester. Here are the definition of third semester. Topic, detail, examples. First definition is pressure. The force exerted per unit area is called pressure. Example, atmospheric pressure. Next definition is hydraulic press. A machine in which great force with slow motion is communicated to a large plunger by means of liquid force into the cylinder is called hydraulic press. Example, car brakes. Next definition is aerosol. A collection of tiny solid particles or liquid droplets are finely dispersed in a gas is called aerosol. Example is spray, fog. Next definition, expansion. The action of becoming larger or extensive is called expansion. Example, mercury in thermometer. Next definition, direct current. An electrical current which flows consistently in one direction is called direct current. Example, battery, flashlights. Next definition, alternate current. An electric current which periodically reverse direction and changes its magnitude continuously with time is called alternative current. Example, generator, socket. Next definition, amplifier. The part of the radio that makes the signal stronger is called the amplifier. Example, radio, television. The last definition is space probes. A robotic spacecraft that does not orbit the earth but instead explores further into outer space is called space probes. Example, Cassini spacecraft. Here are the CNC of today's lecture, which is 166. That's all about today's working. Hope you understand that what I teach you today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.